Ayan, so, let's go to the most exciting event of our night. So, siguro ready na. Sir, dito muna tayo, sir. Ayan, so, ready na po ba tayong makita ang aming hinandang Christmas lights po? Yes! Ayun, so, ayan, so, kompleto na po ba tayo? So, meron po tayong button here. Sabay-sabay po natin na i-press po for us to witness the Christmas lighting ceremony. Ayan, so, bilang po tayo 10 seconds. Ayan, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yay!
Delicious ang tawa sa Jollibee na tayo. Delicious sa saya sa Jollibee na tayo. Wala nang iba sa Jollibee. Dito ang saya. Dito lahat ay idol. Dito lahat pinagsamang saya't sarap.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Jollibee Agol is now ready to give you the brightest and customized celebration. Ayan, so as we come to an end of our program,
Guys, stop it.
we want to express
Jollibee.
our gratitude to all of you, our distinguished guests, Honorable Mayor Franco Sibuma, Ma'am Priscilla, Ma'am Ching, Sir Brian, Ma'am Ruby, for joining us tonight. Christmas is indeed the most wonderful time of the year, made even more joyful with Jollibee. We hope that this event has sparked the holiday season in you and has inspired you to go all out in giving the best of your loved ones, whether it's gift, experience, or food. We also encourage everyone to capture the amazing night with photos with hashtag Joyful Christmas Stores. Again, I am Margangelo L. Bonilla, signing off as your host. Jolly evening, everyone.